bogani wemo ime yumo chobo songo ase county ya Kisii asa bwatani kurase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance UDA bakore gikaro kia gatana kabira asorogongo rwa South Nyanza ekyo kemanyekanete buna UDA Comrades chapter kari kigano kiaragwa no PS umusubati Susan Mangeni Secretary General w'ikiama kia UDA Hassan Omar ababunge kurwa sorogongo rogusi na muno bali barase kiama kia UDA abaragwa no mugachi w'ikiama kyo Musike Japhet Mukayanya Kundi uyiboigo oro mubunge w'ibunge ya Kitutu Chache North Musike Zaire Janda kurwa se bunge ya Nyaribari Chache Musike Alpha Miruka MCO Machore Dolphin Bwari gati ya barayi banda bange abwaso bwamo baikernasi kalikiga boigo kyalinge negati ya borke wakurwa cheskuru au na Monachi University na chiria chibubundi abumanyekanete buna chi Comrade kalikiga nego kyalingete koeneke buna abasae banyorere libagali nene na kubwatreni wa samangana yuburai na mangana age siasa kolengana bunego suka guchibusyo na sege kaleke gaboigo egati yemechando elia bwaterane tia basae egati abo botanyora mabaga yichigasi okuburwa chi school fees ase bagosoma hasi chi skuru au otabwatreni wa hasa mangana age siasa okobagekana hase metandao bosesenchira ya digital okobagekana hasa mangana yegekoro egati ya yanda mange negati yalia boiga kwanero hasa basa baiga bono basegetwa kubwatira chikosi cyabokoboko iri bachekwe konya hasa matukale bosyo boigo koyemokere igoro na gwetima hasi birugo au beyage siasa gwetere kiama kia UDA.
Nyinyi vijana wenzangu ni lazima mjitume. Huwezi kuwa tumekaa hapa ati unaota utakuwa namna hii. Some of us we have come from humble backgrounds. Myself, siasa hii, I have gone for 3 elections until juzi ndio nimechaguliwa kama mjumbe wa Nyaribari Chache. The first time I ran was in 2013, nikazama. 2017 nikaibiwa. 2022 nikapita nikaenda mbele kabisa.
What I'll tell you as young people, believe in yourself. I'm a true example of someone who believed in himself. I normally tell people this. In 2022, I was not vying for member of parliament. Zahir, Akina Osoro, Alpha, you are listening. There were so many other people ahead of me. We had Bikosi, who's the RNCS. We had Don Bosco. We had them. All those were the ones who were vying. But these guys told me, of all those people, the person who can win this election, it is you.
Kati yale boiga kwanirwa ngamo na maganio y'umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigati yale bakwanira boigo nomukia bumurai wense asoko ene kibuna ubikire ensemo y'obachenu asomo choko koene kibuna $1 gekolenganirwa nesiringi yega Kenya yagendire gutigara sebwenerete nomukio yabo koene kibuna ogendire gukinia mabaga y'ikigasi na mona sabasai
so that then from here the next level mimi kuja tupangane kwa constituencies.
Ekiama kia UDA wetera sebikaro bunebiga nigo baroberetie ensengima ya Kenya ase chinsemo 10 ni county ya Kisii yenyora libagali nene lyogokole kalikegam ekia UDA Comrades chapter South Nyanza region nkurubateregeta seni kia gatembe ritare nenguru ku Daniel Untiri